Hello guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to uninstall a software that you have installed on your computer. If you're using Windows, open the control panel and you can see there is a item called programs. Below the programs you can see a blue colored text uninstall a program and click on that. Now you can see here a list of programs that you have installed on your computer. Now I'm going to uninstall PyCharm Community Edition and go down and select it. Select the software that you want to uninstall, and when you click that software you can see the uninstall button here, and now click on that. Now you will get a window like this, and I'm going to check these boxes and now click on uninstall. Now PyCharm software is uninstalling. After this uninstallation is finished, click on close, and now you have successfully removed or uninstalled PyCharm from your machine. If you like this video and if you learned something, give a like to the video and subscribe my channel. I'll see you in next video.